Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by exposing a test area and learning what you're dealing with. Score a small patch and try a corner with a scraper. This tells you if the top layer is peelable or glued. Use a steamer for stubborn spots, but first protect floors and outlets. Once done, inspect the reveal. Intact paper lifts differently than pasted layers. Make sure to have a 1-4 wallpaper stripper solution and warm water on hand so you can move into full removal without stopping. You'll tackle the wall in manageable sections so adhesive doesn't dry out before you can remove it. Steam for 20-40 seconds, then scrape gently at a low angle to lift the softened paper. This reduces gouging the drywall. If you hit a paste-backed layer, apply solution, wait 5 minutes, and scrub with a stiff nylon brush. Once the paper is off, wipe the wall with clean water to remove stripper residue so the surface is ready for patching or new wall covering. You finish by cleaning, repairing, and priming the substrate so the final surface performs well. Scan for gouges or paper bits, then fill with lightweight joint compound and sand when dry. This prevents telegraphing under paint. Once smooth, apply a stain-blocking primer to seal any adhesive or tannins. If a small patch refuses to release, re-steam briefly or apply a solvent recommended for that paste and scrape again. This targeted approach prevents overworking the rest of the wall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.